Hello students, I welcome you all to the SimStar Online Learning. This is Muskan Purwar and today I am back with the 8th chapter of your GK book Traditional Dresses. Under this chapter we will learn about different traditional dresses. Children, India is a land of different cultures and religions. And every religion has its own religion dress. Children, if you saw someone of another state in your city, then you will feel like from where this person has came. He has a very different dressing sense, isn't it? Yes, so India has diverse religion and culture. So people wear different dress according to their religion and culture. We will learn some of them today. Let's begin with the first one. Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, men wear dhoti, which is also known as dhotar and feta, while choli and 9-yard sari, commonly known as Nawari sari or lugda, is for women. Now children, let's learn about another state, Gujarat. Children, do you know that Gujarat is also known as Jewel of Western India because of its rich culture and heritage? Men of Gujarat usually wear kurta as upper garment and dhoti as a lower garment, and turban, which is must for men. And some men wear jewelry also like ring and chain. Now women commonly wear chaniya choli or ghagra choli or lehenga and dupatta and sometimes sari too. They are too fond of jewelry, especially of silver color. Now let's learn about another state, Goa. Children, in Goa, women wear Catholic gowns. People of Goa mainly wear Western dresses. If you saw women, they will wear gowns mostly. Other traditional dresses for people of Goa are Pano Bhaju, Valkal, a jewelry. It is a string of beads and leafy lined clothes, which still worn in tribes. And men usually wear coat suit with a bow. Now let's learn about another state, Jammu and Kashmir. The traditional dress for people of Jammu Kashmir are fairan, which is a long loose shirt which hangs down below the knees with a white turban tied on a skull cap, a close fitted trouser and laceless shoes, which is called as gurgabi. And men wear churidar or pajama with a skull cap without a shawl. Now let's learn about the traditional dress of another state, that is Kerala. People of Kerala usually wear dhoti known as mundu on the lower portion. It resembles a long skirt or dhoti. And children, when you visit Kerala, you will see that people wearing completely white attires which depicts elegance and purity. Now let's learn about another state, Punjab. Children, the traditional dress for men of Punjab are kurta and tehmat, which is being replaced by kurta and pajama, especially the popular Muktsari style in India. The traditional dress for women is salwar suit, which is replaced by the traditional Punjabi ghagra, and the Patiala salwar is also very popular. Children, you have learned about traditional dresses of some states. Now let's have a quick review of other states too. Chhattisgarh, Arunachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Assam. Look these pictures very carefully. Odisha. And have a look on their traditional dresses. Uttar Pradesh. Rajasthan. West Bengal. Mizoram. Madhya Pradesh. Bihar. Tamil Nadu. Andhra Pradesh. Haryana and Karnataka. Children, these were people of India wearing different traditional dresses according to their own religion and culture. We must respect every religion and culture, and we should always say with pride that I love my India. Children, I hope you enjoyed learning about traditional dresses of different states and different religion. Thank you.